So we just heard about a business school worldwide top. You can study in Europe. We have in this conference, I guess, a very interesting turn and change in topics, because we have always business schools, topic general management, and we have technical universities with Master of Science or EMBA, where we have general management, however, a bit more insight into technical management. And that's what technical universities are for. Therefore, interesting for engineers especially. So KIT, I learned, Temir, that you have 200 years, right? This year, it's true?
Exactly. Yes, yes, we have a
Exactly.
jubileum this year, yeah. Anniversary.
200 years, yeah, long time. And KIT is an excellent university. Famous persons have studied there, like Hasso Plattner, Dietmar Hopp, or Alexander Gerst, those space guy. You have several Master of Science, executive Master of Science courses, and especially two courses, Mobility Systems Engineering and Product Development with scholarships for engineers. Could you tell us more about it? Timo, it's
Ex-
your turn.
Exactly. This is what I will do today. So thank you very much for this introduction, and then I will directly start. Yes, as it was mentioned, we are KIT, Karlsruhe Institute of Technology, located in the city Karlsruhe in the region Baden-Württemberg, Germany. We are excellence university. There are like around 20 to 23,000 students that are studying at the whole main KIT with more than 10,000 employees. And based on the last rankings, we are like among the 7% of the best universities in the world, 102 worldwide, and 59th place in Europe. If we are talking about the Hector School, we are business and technology school of the KIT, and we are definitely your next step in a successful career. Here you can see like 4 columns that defines us. This is the power of international networks, since we have around 50% of our participants are German, and another half are coming from the internationals. Technology transfer innovation, yeah, about 70% of our professors of our teacher power, they are professors of the from the KIT, and the 30% are coming from either from the industry or from other universities. Management and technology, this is like know-how that we are offering. We're offering master programs that are connecting management modules and engineering modules. I will tell about it. And yeah, first of all our master programs, they are executive, so this is a good combination of working and studying. Yes, this is like an our overview, 6 executive master programs. Every master program is part-time or executive, are taught in English, so you don't need to know German to study here, and it takes around 20, maybe 24 months to cover all each master program to be ready with lectures and exams, and at the end you will receive Master of Science degree with 90 ECTS points. Of course, we're offering a lot of other formats in terms of academy, but today it's not the topic to be discussed. Here is the overview of our 6 master programs in different technology engineering areas. So this is energy, about future energy systems technologies, also financial engineering, information systems, management of product development, mobility systems, and production operations management. Um, each master program, as I mentioned, consists of 10 modules, 5 engineering modules, and 5 management modules. So this is a good combination of engineering topics, themes, and also the management. So it allows you not to take, for example, any MBA programs or something like this in the future as you have finished these topics within your master degree. Today, I will tell you a little bit more about management of product development and mobility systems engineering, since exactly these 2 master programs are covered by VDI scholarship. And here is management of product development. So 5 management modules to help you to cover all the possible management topics: marketing and data science, finance value, decision risk, innovation projects, and strategy and people. And on the left hand side, you can see the engineering modules. I mean, the content of engineering modules. The main focus here lies of course, product development itself, sustainability of it, also agile system design, simulation target values, and product development. And one more thing that we offer that is very popular among the students, and they are really um, curious about this. This is like the fifth module, tools and methods of product engineering. This module we offer in China at our partner university GAMI, Global Advanced Manufacturing Institute, and our partner university Suzhou. So the students, they spend the last module 2 weeks, since each module lasts for 2 weeks. They spend it in China. They attend lecture there. They also have excursions to the factories and to the production itself to see not only how the production works either in Germany or European, but also how the production works international, because without any doubt, China is one of the largest markets in the world in terms of production. Um, Also, one of the thing is a workshop to build an autonomous robot. It looks like this. You can see it on the right-hand side. The groups are small, like around 5, 6, 7 students, and they are all working together to see how the knowledge that they obtain during the lectures can be applied. The next master program is Mobility Systems Engineering and Management. Management modules are almost the same, but the fourth management module for this master program, we offer this in Spain at our partner business school ESADE in Barcelona. So as almost the same as the module in China, but here the students go to Barcelona and then they attend modules and lecture there. Here, also 5 engineering modules, everything around mobility and ADAS. So here, modules 3 and 4, we have actual specialization. So the students, they need to choose what they would like to study, either ADAS or e-mobility. And then modules 1, 2, and 5, they are the same for everyone. Yeah, so this is, you can see on this slide, so-called FAO model for process and product development. So covers a lot of topics like analysis, systems design, component design. Of course, implementation and testing are playing a big role. Also case studies in this master program. Yeah, it can be either a vehicle testing or Segway programming. It depends on which specialization you choose. Yeah, here's once again the overview of the management modules, but already with topics that are covered inside. So different, as I mentioned, different varieties of topics covering as much management topics, themes as it possible to ensure that that we deliver to the students the best knowledge that KIT has. Of course, it ends up everything with a master thesis. It is possible to write it at either the university or at the company. And then the students, they have from 6 to 9 months to write the master thesis, and they are guided by at least one, if they are writing at the company, or two supervisors at the KIT. Here is structure. Since we offer an executive master programs, you don't need to spend all the time at the university or even at Karlsruhe. We have a module structure, 10 modules. The duration of each module is 2 weeks. So you need to spend 2 weeks here in Karlsruhe because all lectures take place here live. You attend the lectures, Saturdays you have exams, and then here it is colored with white. There is a lecture free time, so you don't have anything that is connected with the university. You just have a time like to work and to be dedicated to work, that your focus is totally lies on the company you are now working at. And then again, you need to come for another module to spend 2 weeks here in Karlsruhe or in Spain, in China. It depends which module you need to attend. Here are some key facts. As I mentioned, program duration around 20-24 months. In general, 10 modules. Of course, master thesis at the end. We have tuition fees. These are 9,000 euros each semester. You need also to pay additionally KIT enrollment fee around 180-190 euros per semester. And at the end, you will receive Master of Science with 90 ECTS points. We don't have any application deadlines, so you can apply whenever you want, but program start is annually in October. This year we start on the 29th of September. Here are the list of our requirements. Academic requirements, of course, you need to have at least a bachelor degree, so it's first university degree, and then we require working experience. Usually we require from 1 to 2 years of working experience, depending on your bachelor degree. And since all our programs, they are in English, of course, we also have language requirements. It must be either TOEFL test, IELTS, or equal proof of language. If English is your native language, of course, you don't need to prove the knowledge of it. It is also possible to live at the building of the international department. Here it is. We are located at the city center, so this is a very good location since everything is here around the corner. And here on the background, you can see there is already a campus, so it's like 5 minutes by walk from here. We also have strong alumni networks. We have also annually alumni meetings, and yeah, they're very popular. And there is also a good opportunity for networking, since alumni, they're also looking for the HIVIs for the working students. So it's also like popular that our alumni attracts our students to work for them or at their companies. So this is also highly recommended. And the last 2 slides for today. So why master at KIT and Hector School? First of all, as I mentioned, it's globally recognized as and almost in the top 100 universities in the world. There's also possible to pursue a PhD or doctorate after you do your master degree, or of course you can choose to work at the company. Excellent study conditions. A lot of research centers, elite group structure, very industry oriented, since, as I mentioned, around 30% of lecturers are coming from the industry, and strong alumni network, and also strong possibility to go international, because we also offer these international modules. Positive effects to your career perspectives. Of course, salary and high positions in the first place. And statistics show that 93% of alumni, they are satisfied with the study, and 96% of students will recommend us further. So thank you very much for your attention. That was it for today. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Here I am, Timur Vinohodov, Junior Program Consultant, or also my colleague Song Uts. She's also, she will be also glad to take care of your questions and requests. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Temir Vinokurov, for the informations about the programs, the executive master programs of KIT. Very interesting, especially very interesting. I thought the idea, and that's the reason why you could have the idea to study at the university, that you can use the executive master of science studies as a step to the PhD. Yeah, and that could be very interesting for engineers too.
Exactly. Who have the passion to pursue the doctorate. Yeah, despite that we offer an executive, there is still possibility to do a doctorate degree even at KIT.
Yes. And we learned that you have in your programs, you have 50% technology, 50% management. And KIT, it's Technical University. So you are definitely ahead of research if you go for such one of these programs. And we learned that you are even international with ESADE in Spain, or even going to China to Suzhou.
Exactly.
So thank you, Temir.
Thank you very much.
Switch you back as a participant. Thank you so much. We will meet later on, maybe
Sure.
in September, because I talked to Yelena, because she wants to go for the VDI recruiting day.
I would be glad to attend it and to see you.
We will see us.
Yeah, I hope. So thank you very much
Bye.
once again. Yeah, and goodbye.